Mike Hughes here. I'm at Blackbird Caye Resort, and I'm here with Don. Don, you want to tell us a little bit about your operation there?
Sure. We are a Belizean family-owned business. We've been in business for about 25 years, and we have 17 oceanfront cabanas side by side, lining the shoreline. We have our own PADI 5-star dive center. We have a dive shop as well as our own compressor room on the dock. We have our own restaurant on property, oceanside infinity pool with a swim-up bar, and then an overwater pull-out bar on property.
And your own house reef?
Yeah, well, the reef is just 300 yards from our dock, so you can paddleboard or kayak out to it and explore. We are home of the Wit Concrete. There's a little picture right here. It's a 375-foot concrete ship that was sunk just a little over a year ago.
Hello, it's concrete. It should be sunk.
Yeah, and it's just like splashing distance from our dock. You can actually see where the water breaks on the shipwreck from our dock.
Okay, and I see a picture of the Blue Hole. How far are you from that?
Yeah, we're just a little over 60-minute boat ride to that. So it's a very civilized departure time. We do breakfast at 7, we get on the dock at 8, and we're in the water by 9:30.
Okay, good to know for the time slots.
Yeah.
Okay, and then how many boats do you have there? You got 70 dive sites, but how many boats do you use there?
So we have 3 dive boats and 1 snorkel boat, and we separate the 2 so the snorkelers can have an excellent experience as well.
Oh, perfect. And if they want more information about your operation, they would go to?
Yeah, they can go to blackbirdresort.com, or they can email me at info@blackbirdresort.com.
Okay, thank you very much.
Awesome, thank you.